Hello friends. Welcome to Current Affairs Review. Topic for today's video is drones in aid of India's growth. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, more commonly called drones in general parlance, are basically airborne crafts without human pilots on board. Drone systems are essentially comprised of four components, that is, UAV payload, ground control station, data link. In the 1990s, the Indian Army for the first time imported UAVs from Israel, and soon the Indian Air Force and Navy followed suit. These drones have made their combat debut during the Kargil against Pakistan for photo reconnaissance along the border. They perform a wide range of jobs for private operators, commercial operators, and governments. These scores of operations can broadly be classified into two categories, namely civilian and military. Civilian applications, a part and parcel of our everyday lives. Agriculture. It can carry out a great range of activities in agriculture such as crop surveys, spraying fertilizers and pesticides, soil health assessment. Disaster management. Drones can be used to map the risk-prone areas through aerial surveillance. Transport. As a pilot project, the state government of Maharashtra has deployed drones to keep a tab on weekend rush hour traffic on the 95 km stretch between the Lonavala and Khalapur. Security and surveillance. Drones have been a good friend of the law implementing agencies. They act as a spy in the air. Insurance. Already a private insurance company has utilized drones for the assessment of crop losses in Maharashtra following a flood in 2016. Healthcare. Like agriculture, healthcare is one such sector where drones have been revolutionizing the delivery of the services. Forest management. Forests are usually inaccessible for the administrative agencies to visit the fields and safeguard. Commercial activities. Drones in the recent past have witnessed a huge boom as they are utilized for a legion of commercial activities like professional videography, delivery of goods for e-commerce, firms, etc. Drones in warfield, a force multiplier. The future holds a wide scope for drones to serve the Indian Armed Forces in myriad ways: bombing, surveillance, reconnaissance and mapping, information war, delivering aid and relief assistance. India's fleet and projects in pipeline. Some of the drones that India operates are DRDO Rustom, DRDO Netra, DRDO Ulka, DRDO Nishant, Trinethra UAV, DRDO Ghatak, Tapas BH-201, NAL AD Golden Hawk, etc. Much of the focus in the recent past has been on manufacturing of the drones. Little focus was beamed on developing software, which is crucial for drones. The severe shortage in skilled manpower just isn't helping the cause at the moment. To help lift the domestic industry, the government has imposed a blanket ban on imports of drones, depriving Indians of the access to versatile and cost-competitive drones in the domestic market. Further compounding the list of existing woes, the Indian public sector has been so snail-paced that they are notorious for missing the deadlines in the recent past. Download material for this issue from our website. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you.